Hey guys, what's up? Hope everyone's doing just fine. My name is Winston and welcome to my channel. As you know, we've been in a lockdown for almost a year and a half now, and we really haven't had a chance to travel out a lot. We've been traveling in bits and pieces, but for the past 2 months it's been really difficult because Karnataka has been in a lockdown and we really haven't had a chance to go out anywhere at all. But finally the lockdown has been lifted and we are now able to travel. Even though we're not able to travel out of state, I'm still able to travel within Karnataka. So I don't really want to miss the chance of going out. So I decided to go out on a trip in a week from now. While I've been stuck in a lockdown, even though I did not travel a lot, what I did was I decided to upgrade myself. So I've been doing YouTube for almost 9 months now and I've been doing great thanks to all of your support. I would say if it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't be here at all. And the first ever action camera that I ever purchased was the SJ Cam, the SJ6 Legend. This is the most favorite action camera for all of those beginner YouTubers out there. It's been great all this while and I must say it's given me pretty good footage. But as the time goes, it's time to upgrade yourself, and being stuck at home in the lockdown, all I did was shop. So finally I've decided to upgrade myself to the latest GoPro edition, which is the GoPro 9. So I've got the GoPro Hero 9, which I bought on Amazon, and I've been receiving these accessories for the past 1 week. So this video is all about the GoPro 9 and the must-have travel accessories for all those beginner YouTubers out there. So without any delay, let's jump into the unboxing and check out what's in these packages. The first item that we're going to be unboxing today is the GoPro Hero 9 Black. Unlike the previous GoPros, this GoPro comes in a beautiful case. It's like a mini suitcase by itself. And I must say it's of pretty decent quality. Unlike the previous ones which used to come in plastic. And it's got the beautiful GoPro branding as well. Alright, inside we've got these papers which usually comes with any gadget that we purchase. So we've got the subscribe to GoPro brochure. And then we've got some legal documentation. And then we've got 3 GoPro stickers, 1, 2 and 3, and then some instructions on how to mount your GoPro. Alright, the next in the box is this cable. Basically it's a USB-C type cable. And then we've got 2 mounts. So one is a curved mount which you can use on your helmet or any curved surfaces. And then we've got another mount as well, which basically is a clip. Then we've got a thumb screw, and then we've got this GoPro battery, which is bigger than the previous GoPro batteries. And thanks to that, we're now able to record much longer. And finally guys, the GoPro Hero 9 Black itself. So let's get this paper taken off. And here's the camera. It's really beautiful. Compared to the previous GoPros, this one is a little bigger and a little heavier, but then that's the sacrifice that you will have to make for all the tech that comes with it. Alright, now that we've got the GoPro, we're going to need some extra accessories to go with the action camera as well. Alright, so the first accessory I'm going to talk about today is this micro SD card, because the GoPro nowadays do not come with an SD card. So it's up to you to purchase an SD card. I would suggest go for the 128-bit. The next accessory that we're going to talk about is the vlogging case. So this one is from a brand called Yantralay, which I picked up from Amazon. So this is a vlogging case which comes with a round ring as you see here, and this is basically used for the filter. It also comes with a cold shoe mount on top. One is for your mic and the other one is for your light in case you want to use any. But if you're not a big fan of filters, take it off and keep it aside. If you're not going to be using a mic or a light, you can take that out as well. And finally, to go with it for extra added protection when you're not using the camera, you've got this lens cap. And I must say, even though it's plastic, the fit and finish of this cage is really beautiful. And I must say, even though it's a little pricey, I would suggest each and everyone to buy this for two reasons. One, it offers protection. Two, it serves another purpose as well. So for that, the next item that we're going to be unboxing is the GoPro adapter. Even though GoPro comes with an inbuilt mic, it's always suggested to go for an external mic. The reason is because when you're traveling and you're going to come across situations where there's a lot of wind noise, where there's a lot of people around. So the best way to reduce and focus on your voice is to use an external mic, and the only way to use an external mic on a GoPro is by using this GoPro adapter. So it's a single piece of adapter. It's a small little box which comes with a Type-C cable which goes directly into your GoPro. So let me show you how to set up the GoPro inside the vlogging case. So first of all, as I said, this serves two purposes. One is it protects your action camera. Two, it's also a housing for the GoPro adapter itself. So you insert the GoPro adapter from the side. This adapter fits in perfectly. It fits in tight. It does not shake, right? So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to insert the GoPro inside the cage. But what's going to happen is the GoPro will not fit in here because it has the side panel. So we need to take the side panel off. You just twist it a little, the panel comes off. And then what we're going to do is we're going to open the cage, open the side panel, and then insert the GoPro. And then clip both of them back, and it fits in like it was made for it. So as you can see, your GoPro is inside safe and sound. And then we've got the adapter, and we've got a small slot where you can insert the C-type cable. So it just goes in here like this. Alright, the next piece of equipment that I'm going to unbox is this screen protector by a brand called Popio. It looks like a mobile screen protector, but trust me, it isn't. So we've got this neatly packed screen protector. So as you know, the GoPro has 3 screens, 2 in the front and 1 in the back. When I say screens, I mean 2 screens and 1 lens. So this kit comes with a lot of items. So we've got the wet wipes, we've got the dry wipes, and then we've got the stickers which we're going to use to take the dust off. So I'm going to keep this aside because I'm not going to do it right now. Alright, so what we're looking for in here are these screen protectors. So as I said, it comes with 3 screens. So I've got 1, I've got 2, and then I've got another one in here. So the big screen goes at the back. We've got one for the lens cap, and then we've got one for the front screen. This isn't really costly. I got it for about 150 rupees on Amazon. Since it was cheap, I decided to pick it up because it's just an added protection, so why not go for it? The next item that we're going to be talking about is an additional GoPro battery. As you know, GoPro comes with a lot of features, and a lot of features comes with a price. The price is the battery does not last long. Compared to the previous batteries, this GoPro 9 battery lasts longer. However, it's always suggested to carry an extra battery. So one extra battery is a must at the minimum if you're a content creator or if you're a traveler. So I know it's expensive, but I would suggest go for it because you're going to come in a situation where you wish you had an extra battery. So always keep a spare. And finally guys, every traveler needs a tripod. There are various tripods in the market, but I decided to go for this because it's a 3-way tripod. It acts as a grip, it acts as an arm, and it also acts as a tripod. Let me show you. Alright, so you've got the main tripod here. Basically it's an arm, a handle and a tripod. In the kit you've got this mount which you can use to mount your GoPro, or you can also use it as a mobile phone holder by putting in the mobile mount. And then as usual we've got a screw and we've got this lanyard. If you're a traveler, trust me, a lanyard is really important because you don't know when you're gonna lose or when the GoPro is gonna fall off from your hand. Alright, now for the tripod. There is this one solid grip. It fits in your hand and it's from a brand called Yantralay. The box does not say Yantralay, but once you open the box and you check the tripod, the branding is actually mentioned here. So this one is a solid grip. You can take this additional arms off if you don't want it, but if you're gonna need this extra arm, just keep it on. So there's this arm, it's made of rubber and it's really sturdy. And then we've got this which extends all the way up. So there's 1, there's 2, and then there's 3. So you can use it as one single length arm, or you can bend it, or you can twist and turn it the way you want to. It's all up to your choice. It's all up to the way you want to design and create your videos. And finally, as I said, this also acts as a tripod. The tripod is hidden in the arm itself. So looking at the legs of the tripod, it isn't of great quality, I would say, but as long as you take care of it, it's gonna do a pretty good job. So there are screws over here and over here, so just screw it in, set it up as a tripod. Use the length as you wish. You can mount the GoPro at the very end and use it, or you can just take these two arms off and use it just with the arm. You can use it, customize it the way you want, and that's one reason I decided to go for this. So as you see guys, these are the must have. These are the bare minimum accessories that you need to have if you're gonna own a GoPro. So all of these items were purchased on Amazon. You can check them out and decide what you want to buy for yourself. I hope this video really helps you a lot in deciding what to buy and what not to buy. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe on the way out. Your support really means a lot to me. Thank you very much, and I will see you soon in the next video. Until then, stay safe, take care.